Off to planting we go.
All that green in the back of my place, I'm gonna plant. And I see one lady, she's from Africa, come and plant hers already. Very inspiring. I'm gonna go join her. I already made my little bed, and now I have my pots, but I'm about to plant in the ground. Watch me. Meditate on the trees, the birds and the bees, peace of mind, living life at ease. Well. Drink your morning tea, Ola Maddie Henry, plant in the garden. Life is full of gifts. Life is full of gifts. It's very, very peaceful. Very. Lots of birds. Actually, let me back up the camera so you can get a full view, because you can really see what we're talking about. Oh goodness, you guys inspiring me now. I'll take off my shoes. Feel the grass. Oh my gosh, have mercy. I'm in my own dirt. I found here. You see these right here? This is part of the reason for all that pollen. My husband can't even take it. They're beautiful. They're pretty. I don't even know what kind of flower it is, but boy, when the pollen time comes, everything green. It's beautiful though. As much as I love it, I wouldn't dare to bring it inside, but anyway. I'll give thanks. Yeah. We got some onions going. Let me see if I can turn the camera around so you can see it for yourself. I didn't even know I could do that. Okay. So, see onions here. These onions began when I just cut off the onion from the bottom of the onion. Cut off the bottom part. Then I turn it upside down, put it inside of a glass cup with some water touching the bottom, and it grow roots, and then it turned into this, and then I plant it here. So that's just a recap. Let's look at baby tomato right here. Some tomato that grow here, and of course the potato is down in the ground, because how that work, it just push up straight through the dirt. Potatoes is down here. I bury it. I bury it. So and this is the whole entire little place. And that's my plant food. You know, I mix together some plant food. It's already kind of damp out here, so I'm really skeptical about even using it right now. Just let Mother Nature do her work. Now trouble it. It's all about patience at this point. Um, I'm about to go upstairs to the other garden, the pot garden. Later, gonna come back and do some yoga. If you're up to it, come join me. Stay safe. Be mindful. Mwah. Love, love.
Thank you for watching. Nature is my joy.